just my luck, I come here to Barrie to start this vlog with an MR63 as of the date of filming of this vlog. They have just over a week left in service. Yeah, that's pretty crazy to think. Yeah, so I come here to try to film one, and just my luck, service disruption because the door is blocked. Anyway, 73 is coming now. We'll get him, and hopefully a 63 in short order. The green line nowadays, 73 front 73s on 2 Azuros. From what I've seen, there's only about 3 left in service, and that will decrease drastically in the next week or so to 1. And then we'll be seeing it doing a final tour of the Metro network next week. As sad as that is to think about, but you know, we all saw this coming. It's just it was just a matter of time. Just my luck. There's a 63 coming the other way, and there's a 73 about to block my shot. Get out of here. Hurry the hell up. There's the 63. I hope that's not the most we see of him. Oh, come on. Don't block the door. Don't block the... Oh, seriously? Well, someone blocked the door on this train. Lovely. All I can say is thank God that today isn't the last day of service, because that would have been probably the biggest fail of my video making career, if you want to call it a career. Not really a career, but you get the point. Yeah, 73 with a blocked door blocks my shot. Typical. Thankfully, since it isn't the last day of service, that train will come back eventually, and there could be the other 2 that I've seen recently, because like I said, I think there's at most 3 left. And hopefully we'll get one of them very soon. Most definitely not. But I do admit that filming one of these under that stained glass thing is something I haven't done yet. Even though there have been Azuros on the green line for at least a year. At least. Train set 24, they changed it out. Last time I saw an Azuro on the green line, it was train set 9 and train set 3, I think. Figured I'd go for a change of scenery. Made it to Place des Arts here, another one of my favorite stations on the green line. Not look at Barrie the whole time, especially since the lighting is a lot better and more uniform across the station here. Also, I did notice on the way here that my microphone was badly set up. That means the first clips of this vlog might be a little bit distorted in terms of sound, so I do apologize for that, but I'm not going to go and re-record them. So we're going to go with the flow and see where the rest of the day takes us as another MR73 shows up. Dang it. You may have also noticed in this vlog that there's like no music in the background, because I've been having a little problems with that. The provider that I got my music from, normally I had a subscription with it with a YouTube multi-channel network that I was with. Unfortunately, it's been about a couple of months since I haven't had a MCN. So as a result, I don't have access to the music without paying for it. And I'm thinking about doing that, but we're talking like $20 Canadian a month, $15 US. And if I pay for it annually, it's like $144, or like, I think it's like $187 Canadian. So I don't know yet. I really don't know if I want to spend $200 on music access right away. So hopefully you don't mind me talking a bit more, maybe a little less of the jazzy editing I've been trying to do in the last few vlogs. In this one, I'll still do my best, of course, but yeah, that's all. I just thought I'd cover that just so you know that there's a reason why there's no music in this vlog, and maybe in the next few videos as well. We'll see. I'm thinking about it though, and maybe Maybe the next video will be music again, but as of right now, I have no clue.
À tous les voyageurs.
Finally.
Station
That's a little something I like to call patience paying off. I waited about an hour in total to catch one. So to tell you how dedicated I am, this train just jerked to a stop. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, we just stopped. I think we might have nearly passed the stop signal. Dimming lights. That's how you know they're old. I can't say there's anything I love more than the sound of an MR63 at speed. I'm gonna miss that. And the dimming lights too. Coming at you from the very back.
correspondance entre les lignes orange et verte.
Just listen to that. That in itself is getting rare. 73 on the orange line. Worth the hour-long wait. See, right now I'm on my vacation week. It's the second day off for me on a 7 straight day off vacation week. And yeah, I wish I had planned that a bit sooner. I wish I had known that the 63s would be retiring the week after my vacation week. But unfortunately, I had no way of knowing. and well, I'm gonna have to rely on my 2 days off next week to get me on one of the last days of service for the MR63, hoping for either the 20th or the 21st, because if you guys didn't know, they're going to be running it on the orange line on the 20th and on the blue line on the 21st. The blue line has never seen an MR63 in active service as far as I know, and if there's any reports contradicting that, I have never heard them, never read them, never seen them, never seen photos, nothing. So I'm hoping that at least one of those days I'll get it off and be able to bring you a actual final video on a 63 next week. Of course, it'll only be running at rush hour, for those who don't know, between the 18th and the 21st on all the lines alternating. I'll leave a link in the description below to see, to show you that schedule exactly. Also, if you haven't guessed by now, I'm actually just waiting for him to come back from Angrignon at this point. Just doing a couple of rounds back and forth in the downtown portion of the Green Line. Might as well get my chances while I can. I'm thinking it's the only one in service, considering I waited about an hour for that one between Berry and Place des Arts. So it's probably the only one in service in the daytime hour today. Can't be the only one left though, because Element 1 wasn't on that train, and Element 1 is going to probably be in service until the last day. At least 81502, the motor car, which was the first to be finished, funny enough, is going to be going to Expo Rail, the Canadian Railway Museum in Saint-Constant, sometime in the fall, I believe. So that train's going to be the last one in service. So what I'm thinking is that the other two, if there are actually two other trains, there's not just one other train, however many trains are left that isn't that one, will be in service at rush hour. So since it's not rush hour, we're gonna have to make do with the one train that we found, and I'm not complaining because that one was pretty loud, and I noticed that a couple of the other trains, or the other trains that I've seen, aren't the loudest anymore. They've started to lose their sound, unfortunately, but that one is screaming at speed in the tunnels of the Green Line. We're here again, back in the 63.
Prochaine station, à 3h.
Contrary to my last trip, this train is well and truly loaded. Oh well. Go with the flow, I guess. Take a listen to the sound some more. Right next to the grills, of course. And, well, enjoy what we can, right?
Prochaine station, Place des Arts.
Well, it's about time to get off this one for the moment, at least. This could very well be my last ride on this particular train. 81563, Element, I'm forgetting the number. We'll get it outside. But yeah, it could very well be my last ride on this particular train. So I think it was deserving of a couple of back and forth on the Green Line. As we arrive at Baudry. that beautiful sound. So while today may not mark the very last time I ride an MR63, probably won't be, because I do want to be on one of their last days on that final train next week. This is definitely probably going to be the last time, or one of the last times I see that particular train. But I figured that even though there's going to be another definite farewell video to the 63s coming very soon, as the last rides will be next week, I wanted to give it a vlog to itself, a full sort of in-transit vlog of me trying to catch one, considering that they've become extremely rare, kind of like we were chasing the Azur when it was first in service, the first one single train set that they had running around for a while before. Now they're just easy to find. They're not even that special to catch anymore. Now it's kind of like that for the 63s, but it's even more special because, I mean, it's the end of an era, of course. So hopefully this won't be the last time. This shouldn't be the last time, as I said. But I figured that they deserved a vlog send-off, you know, just a bit more of a send-off in this format of me trying to find one. Rudely interrupted. Anyway, but yeah, I will hopefully get one or two more chances in the next week or so before they're all gone. And yeah, so I hope you did enjoy this video, this in-transit vlog. I know it's been a little while since I got one out. I had a pretty busy month in the last little while or so. And I hope I didn't talk your heads off too much, being that there is no music in this vlog, as I mentioned. But as always, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're planning on doing for the final ode to the MR63s, as another train's about to come in, so I'm going to have to hurry this up. And otherwise, I will catch you guys in the next one. So follow me on Instagram and Facebook at theNOVABUSfan, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Cheers. I guess we'll get this one last train, why not? That's one Metro vlog. Anyway, cheers guys.